Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about how to calculate percentile of group data. Here we have question: calculate percentile 90 from following group data. In this question, we have class interval and frequencies given. To calculate percentile, the first you have to observe that the class intervals is given class interval is continuous or not. You can observe that the upper limit of first class interval is not lower limit of next class interval 10 to 14. So to make class interval continuous, you have to subtract 0.5 from lower limit and 0.5 add in upper limit. So you can say example or observe the following class interval how I make it continuous. Next thing you have to observe that is the given class interval are in ascending order or descending order. So you can observe the given class interval here is in descending order. So to solve these types of the question, the first step to find the cumulative frequency. As the data given in descending order, you have to calculate cumulative frequency from the bottom. The first start with bottom, or you can start by the decreasing order. Okay, so first I will teach in descending order how to calculate cumulative frequency from bottom side. So the first you have to start for the lower limit. Okay, so 1 1 and the next class interval has frequency 2, so 1 plus 2 is 3, then 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 4 20, and 20 plus 3 23, and 23 plus 2 25. So we find that the total number of observation is 25. Next step is to find percentile class. Is the given percentile you have to calculate lie in which class interval? To do so, you have to apply this formula p into n divided by 100. Here p is the percentile which you want to calculate, n is total number of observation. So here we have to calculate percentile 90 and total number of observation is 25. So 90 multiplied 25 and divided by 100, we got 22.5. Now this value you have to look in cumulative frequency. So here you observe that the value 25 is not here, so we have to look just above the value 25, so 22.5. so you observe कि 23 is just above 22.5. So this class interval 34.5 to 39.5 is our percentile class in which 90 percentile lie. So the next other things we use this class interval. Now this is the formula to calculate percentile. We understand these terminologies. Here in formula, L is a lower limit of percentile class to which we have to calculate percentile. P is a percentile which calculate, N is total number of observation or frequency. CFB, as the data is descending order, so its cumulative frequency below the percentile class. I is class size. Now we put these values. Okay, so you observe here as 34.5 and 39. It This is our percentile class, so the lower limit is 34.5. Frequency of percentile class is 3, and cumulative frequency just below, because the data is in descending order, so you have to take below. Okay, so cumulative frequency is 20, just below the percentile class, and the class size is 5. Now these values are put in formula to calculate percentile. So the lower limit 34.5 and 90 is our percentile, 25 is total number of observation divided by 100, and cumulative frequency just before the percentile class is 20, and frequency of percentile class is 3, and class size is 5. For we have solved these all simple mathematics. 22.5 minus 20, we get 2.5, then 2.5 multiply 5, we get 12.5, and when we divide 12.5 we get 4.17, and we add it in 34.5, we get 38.667. so this we get a score for the percentile 90. So what it's mean? Okay, how we interpret this value? So that value we get 38.667 is the point score below which 90% is score for, or in other word we can say that it means 90% students score less 38.667, and only 10% students score more than 38.667. Thank you for watching.